Hey everyone, welcome to Brad's Train Videos and More YouTube channel. And we're going to catch some trains today. So let's get to the trains. You can always like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, we are on a chase of this empty coal train that is coming up. But we have a cement train that is stopped. So we got a coal train that's moving up, moving west. Hey everybody, this is Brad here. I'm going to call it a day for the train videos. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel called Brad's Train Videos and More. And thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye. So, thanks for watching this video on my channel. If you like the video, give me a like, comment on this video or any other videos I posted, and subscribe to my channel. It certainly helps me get the views that I'm looking for and do all that good stuff that I send you. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video. Alright, bye-bye. Da, 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 da.